Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm testing out the Bullet Time selfie stick. Do apologise for the noise if you can hear that. Oh, better stop that now. So I know it looks a bit strange at the start, but just testing it out. I've never used it before. I bought this by my girlfriend for Christmas. It's a very clever little thing. Basically you spin it around and then the shot you get is it looks like in the Matrix when they're doing the whole whoa thing with the bullets flying past. So I'm on the moped today, riding around, finding places like this to have a look about. It's quite nice here because you've got the boats and stuff, but they're doing a bit of work at the moment or whatever, you're stopping people jumping off the edge. Anyway, I'm just going to see the local sites from like Ipswich and surrounding areas. I'm now going to head round to see the boats on the other side. And yeah, anyway, let's go and do that. Looking at the Orwell Bridge, and I've just put down below the location where I am. And yeah, it's nice around here. You can get over there. I've stood over there before and flew our drone around and stuff. But yeah, do apologise of the noise. That's just the traffic going around. But now I'm going to head up this road all the way to Shotley Gate. We'll be there in a minute. So this is Shotley Gate, or well, Shotley, and from here you can see Harwich on one side and Felixstowe on the other with the docks. Zoom in a bit for you. And I'll be there tomorrow. Cheeky seagull. That's Felixstowe over there. There's Viewpoint. And right over there is where people sit in their cars and play loud music and wheel spins and stuff and look at the boats. Romantic. And then over this side is Harwich. Why there's no boat, why there's no ferry between the two places, or bridge, I do not understand. I think it's a bit silly. Two ports merging would be great, but that's not down to me. thank you very much for watching. This is my first time using the Bullet Time thing, so don't know what the footage is going to come out like. Hopefully it was pretty decent, but yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll try and make more shorter videos like this in the future, because I do realise that 20-minute odd videos is a bit like, you sort of look at it and go, unless it's someone fancy like Mighty Car Mods or Adam C. Hi, I'm Adam C. No one wants to watch 20-minute videos of someone running around a silly moped. Speaking of which, yes, wicked little thing. Yep, so as I say, Felix up there, cheeky moped there, and your boy over here. I've also got a TikTok channel which is the same name, Warped Automotive, and Instagram as well, so be sure to check out my Instagram, because see whatever I'm up to, because I don't post on YouTube enough, because I don't have enough time to make and edit the videos, because I do it all on my blower on my phone, as you're looking at me now. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and also check out my my friends' accounts, Pounds for Hounds 91, your boy Dan, and also it's Vintage Mopeds accounts as well, Monkey Roo, Phil's Turkey Chasers. And thank you very much for watching. Love you, bye.